I think, relationships like we've built, Jan and myself, and many others in the organization really helps, to having that one-on-one type conversation, to have that partnership, even a friendship, I would say, goes way beyond everything else, right? It really does help get over the difficult times, right? It makes it more human. It's not just I'm paying you to do X and you're doing Y. It was a conversation. It's always a conversation, which I love with a partner.
Well, it's great to hear. And yeah, you don't ever want to be in a situation where, at least from the Avionos side, we're afraid to tell you that we recommend a different approach. Because hopefully you've hired us to be the expert, and those are hard conversations. So the relationship is absolutely key.
You're extremely reasonable, and you are listening to our advice, and creating compromising or talking through issues or solving problems is not as stressful as it would have been if we did not have that, that trust, that friendship, and level of understanding that we were able to build. So on our end, we truly appreciate that as well, of course.
And I think we should say as well, to enhance that, is that relationship has been built during tough times where we can't actually meet physically. We've only met a few times physically, but it's more this video conversation, texting conversation, where we know how to contact each other. We know that we all have different stresses and all different priorities throughout the day. But we've built that relationship in a very tough time, where we've understood each other, that things are competing for our time, and, everything's time sensitive, everything's cost sensitive as well.
Yeah, for sure, sir. But also it plays into your experience building other systems. Like, you understand the concept of MVP, and you were not afraid of it. You also understand the concept of, done is better than perfect. So you were willing to go live with a subset of the remaining of functionality in right before or during actually COVID to step aside and be able to observe your customer behavior and learn from it. And some of the priorities that we first were understood kind of shifted, right? And of course, the B2C is one of those. It created an opportunity, but there were also some minor changes that we observed and that were able to implement post COVID.
Absolutely. Because no platform's perfect, so we have to make accommodations. And we've done that very well, I think, between us.